Imagine someone insults you, criticizes your work, or outright disrespects you in public. Your first reaction: anger, frustration, maybe even the urge to retaliate. But what if I told you that you could become untouchable? That no words, no actions, and no insults could shake you ever again? Sounds impossible, right? Well, the Stoics mastered this, and today I'll show you exactly how you can too. Anger is one of the most destructive emotions. It clouds judgment, ruins relationships, and gives control to those who provoke us. But the ancient Stoics, like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, believed that true strength lies in mastering your emotions. In this video, we're going to break down how to train your mind to never get angry or bothered by anyone, no matter what they do. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to build an unshakable mindset. Let's dive in. Number 1. Reframe insults, the power of perception. Seneca once said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Think about it. Insults only hurt because we allow them to. The next time someone says something offensive, ask yourself, is this really about me? More often than not, people's negativity reflects their own struggles, not your worth. Practice seeing insults as noise, irrelevant, meaningless words that have no real impact on you. Next time someone offends you, pause and say in your mind, "This is their problem, not mine," and watch how quickly the anger dissolves. Number 2. Control what you can, ignore what you can't. Epictetus, a former slave turned Stoic philosopher, taught one of the most powerful lessons. There are things within our control and things outside of our control. Other people's words, actions, and opinions, completely outside of our control, but our response, entirely up to us. When you realize this, you stop wasting energy on things you can't change and focus on what truly matters, your own peace of mind. The next time someone upsets you, ask yourself, is this within my control? And if not, let it go. Number 3. Practice negative visualization. This may sound strange, but the Stoics believed in mentally preparing for worst-case scenarios. If you prepare your mind for potential insults, criticisms, or disrespect before they happen, they lose their sting when they actually occur. Marcus Aurelius did this daily, reminding himself, "Today I will encounter people who are selfish, rude, and arrogant, but I will not let it disturb my peace." Every morning, take 30 seconds to remind yourself that you will face negativity today, but you will not let it control you. Number 4. Respond with indifference. Nothing frustrates an angry person more than someone who refuses to act. If someone tries to provoke you and you respond with calm indifference, their power over you disappears. Imagine a fire without oxygen. It dies out. That's how anger works. Your lack of reaction suffocates the negativity. The next time someone tries to provoke you, simply smile and walk away. That's real power. Number 5. Strengthen your mind through daily discipline. Stoicism isn't just a philosophy, it's a practice. If you want to be truly unshakable, you need to train your mind daily. Meditate, journal your thoughts, practice self-reflection. The more self-aware you become, the harder it is for others to control your emotions. Start journaling every night. Write down moments where you felt anger creeping in and reflect on how you could have responded better. Over time, you'll notice a dramatic change in your reactions. The secret to never getting angry or bothered by anyone lies in your ability to control your perception, focus on what you can change, and train your mind to remain unshaken. Remember, no one has power over you unless you give it to them. Now I have a challenge for you. For the next 7 days, whenever someone tries to provoke you, respond with complete calmness. Observe how they react and how much more in control you feel. Then come back and share your experience in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Let's continue this journey towards mastering our minds, one Stoic principle at a time. See you in the next video.